So I thought I'd make a video on this comment by the YOLO COO of Advertiser Shares. Basically an ETF manager. I was just watching this podcast from the Daily Report, and he's called Aurora Dumpster Fire, and thought I'd make a video on it. Everyone is welcome to the comments. If you believe that Aurora is a dumpster fire, then stay away from the stock. That's all I have to say. But gotta make my argument here that a year from now, let's say 2025, April of 2025, there's gonna be a different song about Aurora, and it won't be no longer a dumpster fire. But this is my opinion, and we got a whole year of earnings to look forward to. But think about it: a year from now, they will be selling to a very established Germany market for medical, and possible legalization of Germany for the second phase. And Aurora has a facility in Germany. And then the government has reduced their taxes on Aurora. And Aurora management is trying to turn all their business into profitable businesses. So we could see a different song about Aurora in 2025. Again, my opinion, not financial advice. Right now, Aurora is trading at 226 million. Like I said, if Aurora drops, it will be because of Canopy. Canopy pumps the entire industry. Why? I don't know. Maybe retail is just still have that emotional attachment to Canopy because they were like the leader, and the market cap's so small right now. So any kind of news is a big pump and dump for Canopy, and that will drag Aurora and Tilray and the entire Canadian LPs along for the ride, except for High Tide, because High Tide doesn't trade with LPs. They kind of trade on their own. They do whatever investors feel like doing. But that's a different story for another time. So yeah, so this guy, he said that he likes Village Farms, and he calls Aurora dumpster fire. But if you look at Village's farm cash position, right, they have $30 million of cash, and they have a total debt of $65 million. I don't really trust Yahoo Finance. I would have to actually look into the actual balance sheet that is not Yahoo Finance to really determine that. But according to this, on February 8, 2024, Aurora has over $200 million of cash. Yes, they diluted the crap out of the shareholders to get this cash, but they still have $200 million of cash. And if you look at Aurora's history of dilution, they probably raised over billions of, like $2 billion of cash, or around there, probably at least $1 billion of cash. I say at least $2 billion of cash to build out their facilities, which they screwed up on because they built too much and had to scale back and lost a lot of money, investors' money from doing that. But businesses make mistakes. Look at Canopy. They had $5 billion in Canadian cash, and they lost like 80% of that, or 90% of that. So, yeah, businesses screw up. That's just the general theme of it. But Aurora's trying. They're trying to turn it around. I remember when Trulieve was $5 and I was investing into it. People were calling it a dumpster fire, saying that this is a bad investment or whatever. I believe it wasn't. I believe that it was, it had a lot of upside, and I was right. It tripled my money. Kind of pulled back. I kind of expected this. I saw an article earlier saying that you should sell Trulieve. I'm not selling Trulieve. I would rather ride it all the way down to $5. This article could be right. I don't know. Then sell Trulieve with Florida legalization coming aboard, and they are the biggest player in Florida, and then the 280E tax going away and safe banking and possible NASDAQ listing. No way. No way am I selling True Leaf stock. I don't care if it drops all the way down to $5. I would just I would just like look around for some spare change and then throw more money into True Leaf. That's what I would do. But anyways, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.